Now, it may be a tropical Christmas, but one family in Quezon City is making it feel like winter as their snow-filled holiday display turns heads. Mobile Journal, Ray Vicente has the details.
It's snowing in the Philippines dahil dito sa Quezon City, isang winter wonderland themed house ang hatid ng pamilya Tacon ngayong Pasko. There's no need to fly to another country to experience a snowy Christmas. At Don Jose Heights in Quezon City, the Hon family offers artificial snow and colorful Christmas lights for everyone.
So I started preparing in 2020 kasi pandemic noon. At yung mga children in the neighborhood, they didn't have anything to do, like no form of entertainment. It was like parang bleak ang Christmas. So I decided to import machines na trinay ko.
Even before the Winter Wonderland team, Christmas decoration has already become their yearly tradition since 2004. Margie shared that some decorations were actually hand-sculpted by her.
As you see, my house, I designed it to be like, because I'm such a child at heart. If you notice, I have small mga Santa Claus na na-cover na ng snow eh. Pero I sculpted mga 200 na Santa Claus.
Visitors from outside flock the area since it is free and open to public for the whole month of December.
Lalo na po yung mga anak namin, nag-enjoy po talaga sila. Walang snow dito sa Pilipinas, dito pa may pa-snow sila. Parang na-experience na din po namin ng na may maglaro sa snow. May naglalaro din po ako. At matanda na.
And as Christmas approaches, Margie wished to bring happiness to the people through their colorful home.
If I see people are happy with what's going on, parang masaya na rin ako para sa akin. Parang Christmas gift na rin sa akin yun.
Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.
Sa'yo naman yun. Kala ko nung una cotton or mga foam, yung pala snow machine. Oo, may pera si Madam.
Yaman.
Oo, mayaman si Madam. May pa-snow siya sa subdivision. Kaya asan ulit yan?
Hindi natin nakita.
Oo.
Quezon City.
Quezon
Remember.
City. Gusto ko makadalaw eh. Gusto ko makaranas ng snow.